We're gonna do a quick door removal demo for you and open things up. 61 pounds, rear doors, 68 pounds. And to remove them, very simple. Have you noticed we have the windows down? That's step one. And when we put the windows down, there's no frame. So that really helps with removing them and open things up. And the next step, you want to push this mirror forward so it's out of the way. And then grab your provided Bronco Tool Kit. Now this is with all of your Broncos. It's an engraved Bronco logo on the toolkit itself, and all the tools have Bronco engraved on them as well. So nice added touch that comes with the purchase of your Bronco. Now what you want to do is use a 13mm socket, loosen the top bolt and remove the top bolt. It's an upward facing bolt. And then there's a downward facing bolt as well. Once you loosen those up and remove them, you can put them back into the provided tool bag, which has a zipper. So this is the top one. Sorry, going a little out of order. Put them in the zipper so you don't misplace your tools and your bolts. And I'll take the bottom bolt out as well, since it's already been loosened. And then you remove the power cord by releasing the pressure on the door flap of the power cord. Once those are removed, you can do this before or after the bolts, you can put your door bag on there. Now these door bags are part of Ford accessories. They don't come with the vehicle, but they are, we highly recommend them because they not only are padded, but they have multiple grip handles. They'll protect your doors. And this way with these door bags, you can store and secure all 4 doors in the back of your 4-door Bronco if you choose to do so. On the bag itself has this QR code. Scan that, it'll pop open a YouTube video of how to remove the doors if you forgot how we did it. And it shows you which door belongs to which bag, plus which door in which order you'd want to remove and store them in the back of your Bronco, because the front door is a little bit bigger than the rear doors. But for demo purposes, we're just doing the front door, but this would be the second door you'd want to remove. Part of the storing of it, we have essentially like a spider web harness that has different clip points up top on these pillars and then down on the lasso hooks. And then they not only latch together by clipping, but they also have a harness over the door so you can secure them nice and easy. So I haven't removed the power cord. So he's zipping up the bag to protect it because you don't want to run the risk of scratching or damaging your door because 61 pounds, it is starting to get used to the way the weight is balanced. So power cord removed, bolts removed. Now Otto's ready to remove the doors. He's got a 2-hand grip. And right here is the power cord that I was talking about, bottom bracket, top bracket. And then what I recommend is you either have a partner or you can tilt it kind of sideways like this to finish the zip before you put your door down anywhere to run the risk of damage or just to protect it better that way. Now, if you look where the door was in, this is the power cord flap that I was telling you about. You just reach from the back, release the pressure, and then you can pull out your power cord. Now, putting the door back on, this is your best friend when putting it on. It's called a guide pin. Screw it into the bottom bracket, and then when you're returning the door back onto its bracket, you place the bottom bracket on the guide pin, and then you can essentially pivot onto the top bracket. This top bracket's a little bit more tricky because it's a square versus a circle, so you have to get the right angle that you removed it from. Essentially that like 45, 50 degree angle on there. So, and then once you get it on the top bracket, from the top you can reach down, unscrew the guide pin, and then put the bolts back on, the power back on, put your mirror back, and you're ready to roll. So simple like that.